Okay, so what we got here today is the free Wolf K15 ZYON LANG. It's got a mechanical feel, rainbow backlight, convenience design, ergonomic anti-slip handle. Key life 50 million times. I guess that means 50 million key presses. Working current is 200 milliamps. Key pull force is under 1.5 kg. Operating voltage is 5 volts. Wire length is 1.5 meters. Body weight is 360 grams. Product color is black. Keyboard size 256 by 185 by 37 millimeters. Keyboard version is Eat the Chicken hat. Cool. So now what we got is a keyboard and some bubble wrap. Single-handedly gaming keyboard. Single-handedly gaming keyboard. Okay, we'll get the box out of the way now. Now we got the single-handedly gaming keyboard. So I get the plastic off. Some ASMR vibes. Single-handedly gaming keyboard. Instructions, warranty card, yada yada yada. The light switch function gives me some information here. And now the keyboard. And there she is. She looks good, feels good. Yeah. And that's been an unboxing of a one-handedly gaming keyboard. If you'd like me to do a review, please leave in the comments below and I'll review this beast for you. It looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think, if this is a gaming keyboard that you guys would be interested in getting. And also let me know if you want me to leave a review. I'll put some game time in on this and then leave a review. Alright, thanks for watching.